Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrainingsystem.com. I'm making this a small video about Bitcoin. So let's get started. I'm going to take you back a few months back here in June. So 12th June, this is, I've been making the charts, but let's just start from this, right? This month, this date. So it was an Elliott wave count, 1, 2, 3, A, B, and I said we're going to be coming down for wave C, which will end this wave 4, right? So what happened to this chart? So we came down straight to the area where I said that it's going to end here. So I made a chart that now we're going to be going to the upside like this. So this is the chart I made that from here on, we're going to be going to the upside. And then from there on, I start making the daily chart. And because we need to see, what's cooking here and then how we're going to go to the upside. So this is the daily chart. A little bit opened up a little bit. That wave three. This is wave four. 1, 2, 3, 4. We just saw, and then it start to go up. And I had my orders. I start taking trades, long trades, right from there. So this is the one on August the 7th. Then we went straight up to 61%. Right. So this is where I closed my trades and I said, okay, so usually what happens is that if you retrace back to 61%, then you go back to 23% line. So I made this chart now that is probably going to drop from here to here. Maybe this yellow band here, this low here, 56,552, and may bounce from there or may drop all the way to 23% and then bounce. So what happened to this chart? It started to drop and boom, it hit this yellow band here, right? Then I made the charts. I made the chart saying that either it's going to bounce exactly from there or from it's going to drop a little bit more to 23% line and then bounce. Watch this chart. This is the chart I made on 15th August, right? So what happened? It start to bounce exactly from off of 56,552, right? So let's see. This is how it should start to bounce. And this is 16th August. And as of today, Saturday, 24th, this is where we end up last Friday, yesterday. Okay. Well, Sundays are starting. So, but we ended the week like this. Now, the question is that, yeah, okay, we need to be going like this is wave three, and this is like open up a little bit with wave four, and this is a double correction, A, B, C, X, A, B, C. Now we start to go to the upside for wave five. So this is very important, how we are going there and how we can make the entries. What are the levels that we're supposed to be checking out? So this is the chart I made on a 4-hour chart. This is the story right now. So this is wave four ending here, and then we rise, boom. This is wave one. Then we have A, B, C correction for wave two ended here. Then we start to go up. So this is wave three. This is wave three. Now this chart I recorded, but let me see. I'll show you right now. I'm making another chart that I will record with all the levels and everything, which is this, right? So this is the main chart now. That same thing. Wave four ended here. This wave one, two, A, B, C. Now I want to show you that these are the levels from the daily chart, means from here. See all these high lows, right? So when you place them on the 4-hour chart, you will really find that you have beautiful, beautiful entries coming off of these levels. For example, wave two bounce exactly from 56,552, which is right there, 56,552, just yellow band. So we started to bounce, and that was a very good opportunity to go long, right? All the way where? To the next level, which is 6187, which you will find somewhere here, 60, right there, right? And then here, in looking at this chart, you can't understand much that, what is happening, but draw them on the 4-hour chart and you see the magic. So from there, we drop back to 58, 420, and then bounce. So where the heck this 58, 420 is right there, right? So from here, then we came down here, then we went up again, and where? Poke into this 6187, drop back here, 50, and then from there on, we started go above this 6187, came back testing it, right? And then we went straight up to 63,861. That's where it is, 63,861. That's where we are now, right? So maybe this is the one that, 62,821, we may just drop a little bit and then rise again to the next level. So the next levels, I draw some of these levels there. And how it is either it's going to drop a little bit, maybe to this high and then go up, or maybe straight up from there. The next level would be 65, 499. Break that, then the 67, 232, and so on and so forth. Where the heck are we going? So if this is wave one and wave three calculation, usually wave three ends up around 1.618 of wave one. So if you draw the fib expansion here from wave one and wave two, you see that 161% is coming exactly here around 77, 701, right? Three sevens together. All right, so this is where wave three should be ending. So we have a long way to go. Prepare yourself, whatever the system that you use it, right? I use mine, different, what size, man? Renko candles, right? For example, this one, right? So look at these beautiful entries and beautiful trades. All of these were entries after it went up, it came down here, and look, entry, entry, then entry. This is beautiful, beautiful. And now I'm making an entry again. But today is, Sunday, in the morning, no volume, so I'm not going to be bothered with that. But yeah, when the market opens up, and then like Monday morning in London session, I'll see if I can do something or catch something here. So this is the chart. This is the chart. This 4-hour chart is the main chart. Very, very good, very clear, and giving you some really, really a good trades, right? So it's just a matter of that you understand that how to make the entries, or whatever the system you use them if it's a profitable. If not, then go on my website here, creativetradingsystem.com, and subscribe and get this Renko candle system, and then start taking the entries, beautiful entries all over the place. All right. So this is it for now. I'll leave you alone, and Sunday morning, enjoy your weekend, and I'll talk to you guys later. And then don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get my videos and these setups right on time so you can take advantage of them. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.